Hey guys, I'm at the Dudley Road level crossing in Euroa, Victoria. This is a 2-gate, 3-signal level crossing on the Albury line, which sees trains, standard gauge trains in both directions. This first signal here has a unmarked base, a Safetran gate mechanism. Hang on, I'll go around the back. Safetran gate mechanism, a white with black writing stop and run signal sign, 4 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse Crossarm, a 2-track sign, a standard crossbuck, a Safetran Type 3 eval, a flat gate, and 3 general signals gate lights. Alright, and on this side of the crossing we have another unmarked space, a Safetran gate mechanism, a white with black writing stop and run signal sign, 4 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse Crossarm, a 2-track sign, a standard crossbuck, a older style Safetran Type 3 eval, a Artcraft healthy state indicator, a flat gate, and 3 general signals gate lights. And finally, the gateless signal has a unmarked base, a white with black writing stop and run signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on a Westinghouse Crossarm, a 2-track sign, a standard crossbuck, and a pole cap. And here's the crossing poles number.